Hello guys, welcome back to Ayser World. I'm a speed giver and today I'm gonna tell you how to rate this algorithm or this or even this algorithm.
For each side of the cube, we present it with an alphabetic letter. For example, U stands for top or up side, R stands for right side, L stands for the left side, D for down, F for front, for B stands for back side. Now we're gonna turn U clockwise, so U clockwise would be this, U prime anti-clockwise, R clockwise, R prime anti-clockwise, L clockwise, L prime anti-clockwise, D clockwise, D prime anti-clockwise, F clockwise, F prime anti-clockwise, B clockwise, B prime anti-clockwise. X, it means rotate the whole cube up or clockwise. X prime, move the cube anti-clockwise. Y, rotate clockwise. Y prime, rotate the cube anti-clockwise. Z, turn the whole cube clockwise. Z prime, rotate anti-clockwise. M, clockwise. M prime and move anti-clockwise. E clockwise. A prime anti-clockwise. S clockwise. S prime anti-clockwise. Over here, when you see letter in small caps like U or like this U with W, that means turn two layers at once. So the UY, so move the middle layer and top layer clockwise. UY prime anti-clockwise. DY clockwise. DY prime anti-clockwise. RY clockwise. RY prime anti-clockwise. LY clockwise. LY prime anti-clockwise. FY clockwise. FY prime anti-clockwise. BY clockwise. BY prime anti-clockwise. Whenever you see a notation with number like 2, this means turn that side 2 times. So it's like R2, so turn that side 2 times. So 1, 2. Doesn't matter clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I'm quickly going to go through all the notations. So R2, L2, U2, D2, F2, B2, M2, E2, S2, RY2, LY2, UY2, DY2, FY2, BY2, X2, Y2, Z2, Okay guys, we have learned all the notation. Now we can do an example scramble. So it goes L2, R2, B, R2, B, U2, R2, F2, U2, F, L2, R prime, B prime, L, D, R prime, B prime. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna do a solve of this Campbell. So inspecting now, I am starting the timer. Guys, I have a challenge for you. Subscribe faster than before I solve this cube. Oh wait, you are that fast. Good job. Okay, the time is 14.625 guys. Thanks for watching till here. I hope you found this helpful. Like, subscribe, and if you want to see more videos tutorial like 5 by 5 pair, or just comment down what you want to see in some or something like T by T tutorial. Bye guys.